Hi all. So today we will discuss about weak SSL 3-cipher suit and to disable the TLS version from the checkpoint. So there is a lot of things like sometimes we receive the vulnerabilities on checkpoint based on this CV number, and we have to remediate all the vulnerabilities. And sometimes you receive like you are receiving suite 32 and all TLS vulnerabilities, TLS like 1.0, 1.1, and you want to use only 1.2 TLS in your environment. So on that time we use some tricks to remediate them. And for the ciphers, so these are the 3 dash res id. So these are the ciphers. We have to remove the ciphers because those are the plain text mode, and these can be harmful for our network. So there is a couple of steps we have to perform in that. So like for the Gaia portal, first step we have to take, create a snapshot of your system. It's a optional. I will tell you the way without restarting your device you can remove the vulnerabilities, you can remove the all TLS and ciphers from your device. Before implementing a snapshot step, save the current database. Okay, so this is a mandatory. You have to run the save config command before running the command. And next what we have to do, connect to command line on Gaia OS machine. Okay, you have to take the console CLI access like this. I have this console. I have to take the CLI access of this firewall. Next we have to log in the expert mode. All the commands will be run expert mode, and backup the current configuration. And the current configuration which you have, so it's a cp web template httpd ssl.conf file is there, and we have to take the backup of this file, and means you can create another file for this. Okay, you can do the copy. And next assign the right permission to the current configuration template. Okay, you have to assign the current configuration, and you have to see the current configuration, and you have to assign the permission. Like how you can see, let me show you. You have to go to the enable expert mode, enter the password. After entering the password, follow the step. If you want to see the files, use the cat command, web http templates. So here you can see, you can find the TLS and cipher detail here like this. So if you want to remediate the old TLS, you want to use only 1.2, and you want to remediate some ciphers also, this SSL cipher suits also. So first of all we have to give the permissions. So for assigning the permission, you have a number of way. You can use the chmod, okay, plus x, and 7777700. These are the right, give the right permission to the command. Okay, so let's here we will assign the permission. So there is a couple of things. Okay, so it's a ls space minus l web template. किस फाइल को करना है आपको? http d minus ssl config template, enter. So here what is showing? It's showing the admin roots, and you have a permission of that. Next is chmod, not a minus, we have to do the plus sign here, and w again web template httpd conf. Next we have a okay. So now what we are doing, earlier we have a read permission and now we have a read and write permission here. So for changing the ciphers, what we have to do, we have to just use the vi and again web template httpd minus file. Here do the cursor in the down, go on the that tab, yeah, and here you have to press the I, insert. After inserting, you have to remediate here using the double colon and what cipher you want to, like in my case I want to use dash, another is 3 dash. Come in the down, for remediate these, just you have to put the this mark plus. If we want to use the TLS, use the TLS version 2 here. Second is you have another way also. What process you can do? You can remove all the things and just put this current configuration. Another is you have a different way as well. If you can copy this, and if you want to ignore anyone, you just put the this hashing, and after that on the current configuration you can paste that, and means you are ignoring that one, that will be not used. Then to avoid any misconfiguration, just press the escape, go in the last, and just for save the configuration use WQ, enter. To see the configuration you have to use the cat command again. It will be show you the current configuration. The current configuration it will be show you in the parameters, like here. So these are the way. After that you have to remove the permission. Okay, so for removing the permission, okay, so these are the some profiles which you have to set. You can go take example from here also. If there is any plus and minus detail is pending. And next is you have to remove the write permission from the current files using this command. I have used the plus, you have to use the minus here. because we do, if somebody is access this file, he can change. We have to remove the permission and put the same configuration as it was earlier. After that, update the current configuration of HTTP daemon based on the modified configuration template. We have to run this command to save the configuration, to activate this configuration. Next is restart the HTTP domain services. So these are the two commands to restart the services. So this step will be help you to resolve this kind of vulnerabilities, and this is a rare scenario. You want to restart the Gaia machine, otherwise you have to scan the vulnerability again, and after that if still those are coming, you have to restart your machine on that time. But 100% I'm sure you don't need to start your machine. Your productivity will lose on that time. Thanks you.